Okay, we have another client for today. Jeep Cherokee 2015. Yeah. So this is his old key fob and this is the new key fob. Yan. Ayos. Tapos try ko yung function. Try kong lumapit. Boss, hawakan mo lang. Yeah. Try lang natin. So, naka-unlock. Try mo lang boss, layo. Yun, nag-lock na. Try natin boss yung auto start. Kung gagana. Yan. Yun. Tapos, try mo boss patayin. Yung lock at unlock naman boss. Yan, nag-lock, nag-unlock. Lock na. Yun, lock. Tapos yung open trunk. Yun.